Me phone start beeping, me tablet gone mad. Laptop ask a question that me never had. Remote got buttons like a spaceship door. I press one thing, now it's in Korean, I'm sure. I say, how do I send this picture to Lisa? It asks for a password from 2002. I write it on paper, then lose it again. Now I'm locked out my life by a robot friend. Then the child called Elliot come walking by with a happy face and a clever eye. Says, move over, granddad, let me see. Touched it twice and fixed my TV. Oh, the child pressed one button and the whole thing came alive. I've been fighting it since breakfast. They fixed it before 5:30. One button, now everything is fine. But I swear that little genius has been hacking since age 9. I used to be king of the video game, fastest on the joystick, everybody knew my name. Now I'm crashing into walls, driving backwards in shame. And Elliot says, you're quite good for your age in this game. For your age, for your age. Oh Lord have mercy, not for your age. They beat me at Fortnite, they beat me at the fights. They build whole worlds in a couple of nights. I'm still looking for the button marked start. They've already completed the difficult part. I say this controller's broken, that's why I lost. They say, no, you just keep jumping off. I say, in my day, games had 2 buttons, maybe 3. They say, yes, and dinosaurs roam free. Oh, the child pressed one button and the whole thing came alive. I've been fighting it since breakfast. They fixed it before 5:30. One button, now everything is fine. But I swear that little genius has been hacking since age 9. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, update, cloud. Why is the printer shouting loud? Swipe left, tap right, enter code. Why is my kettle in airplane mode? And don't get me started on smart speakers. I say, play Bob Marley. It orders 3 tins of barley. Oh, the child pressed one button, and the whole thing came alive. I've been fighting it since breakfast. They fixed it before 5:30. One button, give the child